And that's
I
why...
was like, you don't have any support. You're not pretty.
She should wear as much makeup as you.
I know, right?
All right, ladies. I'll wait.
Oh, good. Sophie, the teacher said she'll wait. We can finish our conversation now.
No. This is a classroom, not a beauty salon.
Well, maybe it can be both. Oops, miss. Can I go to the bathroom?
I don't know. Can you?
I can. I can go to the bathroom. And if you don't let me go to the bathroom, I can and I will go all over your classroom floor.
Okay, you may go to the bathroom.
Thank you. Yes! Good out!
The bell doesn't dismiss you, I do.
Then what's the bell for? Just sound effect?